Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It is my weekly makeup tutorial. If I sound stuffy, it's because I am sick. But I'm still going to try to put out this video for you guys. In this video, I will be recreating a look from an Instagrammer. I came across her picture and I really liked the look, how sultry and sexy it was. So I'm going to try to recreate the same thing. Of course, it won't look the same exactly because I'm not using the same products. And my eye shape is different, but I'm going to try to do my version of it. I'm using the box of crayons palette from the crayon case. Shout out to Super Was Am. And I'm also going to be using one or two colors from the JUVIA'S Warrior 2 palette, I believe. I will put the link to, not the link actually, I will be putting the description of every item I used in this video in the description box. That way y'all can reference that. And go ahead and continue to watch the video. If you want to see more videos such as this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. You can also follow me on Instagram for more pictures. All the links to my social media will be down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
I trust you and